plan to do with it, but it is for AirPods. It is so that you can put your AirPods in there. Now this is something that I borrowed from a friend because I can't afford these myself. But yeah, basically this shows you that the AirPods are what fits nicely and neatly in this very cool container. And later on I'll talk to you guys about, and I'll post a link hopefully on this video. I don't usually do spoon feeding, but in this case I will because I got this from an awesome company. So I want to show you guys the store that you can get this from. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oreos are so cool, but they're even cooler if they can keep your awesome AirPods in them. So there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little product unboxing, unparceling review, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have an awesome day.
Likey.